Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today here, and I got this JACKYLED light fixture for my house off of Amazon. I got it for right here. It's like a silver kind of color, I think, or something like that. I think it was pretty cheap. So we'll see how bright it is, see what it looks like. Let's pop this in here and I'll show you what it looks like. It's very simple. Nothing else even in the box, empty. And this is all that's in the box. This thing right here, and this is what the light fixture looks like. So I guess this part must come off from here maybe, I don't know, let's see. So it should be pretty simple. Yeah, what it does is, sorry, can you see that? Yeah, this just spins out and then it comes out. See, there's like these little things that stick out in there. So that's all that does, and it hangs on just like this. So let's get this mounted up real quick. This should be a pretty simple connection. Oh, this has to come off, I think. Yep. This one has to come off. Okay. All right, it's in. Good as Schwinn. Let's turn it on, see if it works. All right, it works. And it's supposed to have 3 different switches, see? That color, white color, and then blue color. We're gonna keep it with the yellow because it's for the bedroom. Bedroom's usually yellow. So we're gonna keep it with the yellow color. All right, so that's kind of what it looks like. Let's see how much it covers up when we put this on. I mean, pretty good. I think it covers up pretty well. I'm happy with that. Okay, cool. All right, so that's it for that on Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation and setup, and like a little bit of a review of that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Bye-bye.